Today we are going to prepare calzones. Ingredients required are refined flour, salt, sugar, yeast, pizza sauce, onions, garlic, basil leaves, oregano, zucchini, yellow squash, bell pepper, crushed black peppercorn, olive oil, eggs. For making calzone, the first thing is the flour, refined flour 200 grams, 3 grams of salt, take 3 grams of yeast, 10 grams of sugar, little water, dissolve sugar and yeast together. When the sugar and yeast dissolved already, the remaining water, which is 100 ml water completely, mix the flour and form a dough. Once the dough is almost done, add 15 ml of oil. Now allow the dough to ferment. Now after 15 minutes, check the dough whether it is fermented or not. Yeah, dough is now double in size. It's nicely fermented. Now we'll divide into small balls and we'll roll it out. To make the stuffing for calzone, take a little olive oil, little garlic, some chopped onions, sweat onion and garlic, add the yellow squash, green zucchini, saute it, some dry oregano, salt, little crushed black peppercorn, bell peppers, once the vegetables are sauteed well, add tomato puree. Now cook the vegetable along with tomato puree. Flavor with some fresh basil leaves. Now the vegetables are almost cooked and allow it to cool down. Now the dough is ready and then now I am going to divide the dough. Roll the dough into thin sheet and take a cutter, round cutter, cut the dough into circular, apply some egg wash on the side. Take some pizza sauce, spread it over. Take the stuffing which you made on half in the center exactly. Put some dry oregano. Keep some basil leaves. Turn it to half moon shape. Seal this dough. Give a fork mark to seal it very well. Now shift this calzone onto the baking tray, which is greased before. To get a shine after baking, apply a light coat of egg wash. Now the calzone will be baked for 20 minutes at the temperature of 180 degrees centigrade. Now let's check. It's 20 minutes over. I think calzone will be ready. Yes, nice golden brown in color. Hot calzone with tomato sauce is ready to serve.